Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to make your nails stronger with a beautiful natural curve called an apex using Rossi Glam Powders. First, we will make sure the nail is prepared to ensure adhesion and long-lasting wear. Prep the nail carefully by removing any dead tissue and pushing back the cuticles. Next, shorten the natural nail and size the nail tips so the width of the tip should fit from sidewall to sidewall. Apply a small amount of Rossi activator on the end of your nail. Then apply Rossi base directly to the natural nail in the area that will make contact with the tip. Press the tip onto the nail plate and firmly hold it in place until the base dries. Gently blend the tip to smooth the transition from the tip to the natural nail to make an even surface and refine the shape of the tip. Apply Rossi primer only to the exposed natural nail and let it air dry. Now it is time to apply Glam Powder. In this video, we will be using Stardust, which is a beautiful gold color with metallic shimmers and silver holographic glitters. Start by applying Rossi base at the line where the tip meets the natural nail. Immediately dip into the powder container and brush away the excess powder. Apply Rossi base to the half of the nail, but only down the center. It should be a small strip starting halfway down the nail going to the tip. This is exactly where we want the concentration of our product to be in order to achieve a beautiful apex. The apex of a nail is the highest point in the middle of the nail plate, and it is created by building the thickest amount of product over the nail's stress area where breaks most often occur. Apex is important because it's where the nail gets all its strength and it's aesthetically pleasing to the eye. The longer the nail, the further back the apex needs to be to give the nail balance and strength. Next, apply the base 3/4 of the nail this time. Dip into the powder and be sure to dust off the nail as always. You can already see our shape starting to form. Apply activator and make sure it's fully dry before moving on to filing. Just shape up the edges and smooth out the layers to avoid getting thick sidewalls with the final layer. This is the time we create that perfect arch and the final structure. We're going to continue with the final layer. Apply base a hairline away from the cuticle. Dip right into the color and dust. Apply activator and after it's dry, all you have to do this time is lightly buff the nails. Wipe away the dust and continue with 2 layers of Rossi top coat. Massage Rossi Nourish Cuticle oil into skin surrounding the nail plate. We recommend you use it 3 to 4 times a week to keep your cuticles and nails hydrated. Remember that this technique is a bit more advanced, so if you're having trouble with it, just keep practicing. The more you work with the product, the more you will be comfortable with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Stay home and stay safe.